Good evening, Unstoppable TV. This is Jane. I am here about other point a dancehall artist, which is my cousin. So we got in a fight on the 25th of April, which is Saturday. So I was on my way from shop with my cousin, which is his nephew. So while I was coming, me and him nephew there walk, and him nephew turned to me and said, "Jada, me I go red left you know, because me know want my grandmother or my uncle see, which is the same other kind." So I say, alright, go on, say I go down the hill. When time I go down the hill, him buck up in him uncle, which is Alpine. But we call him Chevan, which I am right name. So when time go down there, him uncle said to him, say, who for bag that? So the boy said to him, say, Jada bag. So him said to the little boy, say, you know, some want to chat to them people there. Get a girl their bag, no? So me walk go down the hill and I take my bag from the little boy. When time he take the bag from the little boy, he must say something. I don't remember exactly what him say. So I walk past him because me not prolong the argument with him. So him turn back, so he realize I'm not answer him. He turn back and said to me, say, hey girl, you didn't hear me a chat to you. So I turn back and I say, girl, like your mama dirty stinking Chevan. When time I said that now, him say I come lick me in my face. So him come back down the hill, cause me stand up and me not move. So him come back down the hill and him come up in my face, a pint up in my face. So I say, Chevan, the best thing I do, I go on up and leave me alone. So by this me I walk away. So he had a coconut in his hand and he fling the coconut off of me and my duck. So in time I duck, I swing around and I lick him. So in time I lick him, me and him did a fight back on something. So him swing me down on the ground and I drop. So in time I drop on the ground, him get the strength and me get every whole arm angle. And him hold me in my neck and him a squeeze me neck. But by this me give up because my breath lock off completely. Nobody know that if a part with. So in time I realize him he's a part for me. So in time look, one man come part to it. So then me get up and me say me I go call my mother. So by this him mother run come down there, which is my aunt. She run come down there, but we don't my mother and me don't talk to her. So she run come down there and she start cuss about how a we come Maria can give come come get trouble and a me come Maria come pick her. So me a cuss her. So me a tell her say me no come Maria for how long now and then her son see me on road and a pick her with me. So me did it and I have my phone on my ears and me I call my mommy. So by the time my mommy fi answer, me get one more licking on my face. So the time I get me looking at my face, so me I say, "Oh, what that?" So me turn around. By the time I turn around, me get one next one. And by that, me no know nothing at all. Me black out, pan the ground, everything. So me dead about for 10-15 minutes and me get up back. Because me dey on the ground for long. So me get up back. So anytime I get up back, me realize a whole heap of people that they are cuss and something. So me when time me see one of my mother friends, so me say to him, say, call mommy for me now, please. And he call me. And mommy come out there. So by that one car there come behind my mother. So me and my mother jump in the car and go for station. And so I go for station, the police give me a letter. She take my report, she give me a letter and she said must go down to the hospital. And time I go down to the hospital, them register me, them take me information and everything. But they ask me everything, then take me information and everything. So them said them have to admit me because me need blackout. So when time they admit me, then start examining my face, then start examining my eyes. So them ask me if me can see out of the eye properly. And I say no because my eye is blurry. So they did a X-ray on my face and then say my jawbone slightly twist. So by that my mouth the heavy, my mouth the drain lily. I can't talk properly because my speech them drawn out and everything. So they admit me for 2 days. So while me in a hospital, then give me injection, then give me injection, 3 injection, then give me painkiller, and all of that. Me can't eat no food, nothing at all. Me have to eat pure porridge and I drink juice and all of that. So after me come out, go for the station, give me statements, and then after me come home. But once I me come home, me still can't eat, still can't see out of the eye, even though me can't see out of the eye. Me have to eat pure soft food, drink pure porridge, pure fruit juice, all of that. So by this, him a one guy call himself him a the dance for coffee piece. So him a the dance for coffee piece and beat up everybody around here. Pay fan then walk at the end of the day and brag and say him beat up this and him beat up that and he still paying money and then he just quits out. But me want him learn the hard way. Not because me and cousin me not take no money from him. Want him learn the hard way and hard in the people so in beating data and molesting data all of that. In molesting data and beating me sometimes the tissue say a period 1 month straight. So at this moment if you learn the hard way I want the system I want the more social media and want the world to say him is a child molester and him our little me not know what to call it, but him need to learn